Tired of juggling multiple tools and platforms to manage your marketing assets? Look no further. Pixa Suite AI, all-in-one AI tools streamline your workflow, allowing you to effortlessly organize and manage all your marketing assets with just a click. Imagine the time and energy you'll save by having everything in one place. No more searching through different platforms or wasting hours on manual tasks. With Pixa Suite AI, you'll have complete control over your marketing assets, making it easier than ever to create, edit, and optimize content. For just one low payment, you'll get access to AI Content Generator, AI VoiceOver Generator, AI Engagement Boosters, Cloud Storage, AI LinkShortner, AI QR Generator, AI Website Optimization, AI Image Generator, AI Page and Funnel Builder, AI Music Generator, and amazing bonuses for a limited time only. And all of that and more for just one low payment, risk-free for 30 days. Take charge of your marketing strategy today. Try this all-in-one AI tools and experience the convenience of managing all your assets effortlessly with just a click. Visit the below link to watch Pixa Suite AI in action now.